In this video, I will guide you how you can fix Roblox error code 268. So first of all, you need to restart Roblox app or device. If the restarting of your Roblox app doesn't work, you need to make sure to give it a simple restart because sometimes a simple restart can sometimes resolve these kind of issues. Next step is you need to make sure to check for bans. Log into your Roblox account, and if you are banned, you won't be able to log in at all. Consider appealing the ban through Roblox support or by using a VPN. Next thing is you need to verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. If not, try using some kind of Ethernet, or if you are using Wi-Fi, you need to make sure to flush your DNS cache. Make sure to go with the ipconfig flush DNS on Windows. Next step is you need to check for Roblox status. Simply search for Roblox status and go for the first one and see if there are any kind of issues going on globally. If yes, you need to make sure to wait until it resolves itself, because a worldwide issue it's going to be fixed under 24 hours. So hope this helped. This is how you can fix Roblox error code 268.